Hello, good day. Welcome back to another video of Christian's Dog Vlogs.
LD, aka the independent variable.
Yes, hello, welcome back to another episode. So today I have a plan for this episode. If you can see right here, I planted carrot seeds here about a year ago, and it seems like no carrots have grown, which sucks. So this is my 2-year-old lab. He is a male. His name is AC. This is my yellow lab. She is a female. Her name is Sydney. And this is my dog Tallulah, if you can see right here. She is a mini dog. I don't know what breed she is, but she is 5 months. Hello, Tallulah. So yeah, for today's episode, I am planning to dig all this soil out and make this a mini swimming pool so that my dogs might enjoy. So I'll see you back when there's no soil back in there. Well, I think that was okay. I think that's enough. All I have to do is clean it with water through here, and all I have to find is a PVC pipe so that the water won't get through when I'm finished. How'd you like it? How did you like it? Yeah, I'll see you back when I have this cleaned.
This your boy D-Lo, Bob King, and I'm about to get with something new for y'all. You know, everybody dance, they do their thing, but this that bet you can't do it like me challenge. Let's go like ooh, ooh, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh, hey, hey, turn up. Ooh, ooh,
Nothing makes you got another hit.
Bet you can't whip like me, can't Millie rock like me, can't sexy walk like me, can't hit the corn like me. Hey, bet you can't drop like me, can't hit the folks like me.
Okay, done cleaning the mini pool for the dogs. All I have to do is find the PVC pipe, put the PVC pipe in there and fill it halfway with water. So let's see if Sydney or Ace or Tallulah will like that. Right, Sydney? Right. Okay, so I found the PVC pipe. It's right here. And let's see if it fits so that the dogs can have fun. Okay, it seems like the PVC pipe fits perfectly right there. And looks like Sydney's already enjoying it. Sydney, oh, do you like that? Oh, yes you do. So I'll see you back here when the mini pool is halfway filled. I finished filling the pool up, or the mini pool. Now let's see what my dogs think. Jesse, go on, go on, go on, go on. Oh, seems like Sydney likes it. You like that, Sydney? You like that? Oh. How about you, AC? Drop, drop. Good dog. Go on, go on. Oh, she's even laying down. Aw, Sydney. Aw. You like that? It seems like that Sydney likes it, but I think the pool is too small for AC. AC, drop the dog. Who wants to play fetch? Who wants to play fetch? Who wants to play fetch? Good dog. Well, that wraps us up for this vlog. Hit a like on the video if you enjoyed that vlog. I'll see you next time. Peace.